Okay, so before you start Midjourney, yes, we are going to teach you the basics of Midjourney, but that is not our point. You can learn the basics of Midjourney from anywhere, right? People all over the internet have AI pictures, but what they don't have is 8K ultra realistic AI pictures. And we are going to teach you how to get those pictures by being good at prompting, by being good at telling the AI specific logical instructions that give you these 8K pictures, right? Because people on the internet have pictures that look like paintings. That's fine. They have pictures that look like it's 360p quality. That is fine. But how do you get a picture that looks ultra realistic? It looks like real life and it looks 8K. That is our job, and we are going to teach you prompting, how to get those pictures. But number two is, who on YouTube has pictures, right? AI pictures that fit their context. They cannot generate them, right? If you just go into Midjourney and say, "Can you make a picture of Alexander the Great doing this, doing that?" You will not get that picture ever. You could refresh like 400 times, that picture will not come up. You have to be clever about this, right? You want Alexander the Great on his white horse, and in the background you want a battle to be taking place, right? Something so immersive, something that makes sense with your script. How do you get a picture like this? That is our job, and that is what we're going to show you.